नाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We have to do Sanskrit Banao. First one we finished. Second one onwards. Yeah, please can you start?
बढ़ाई एक खाट और 3 कुर्सियां बनाता है। तक्षकः एकं खट्वां त्रयः आसन्दिकः च रचयति।
Is it Bahuvachanam or Ekavachanam?
One cot, right? Ekam khatvam and trayah asandikah.
Huh.
Asandikaha
Asandikaha. Asandikaha.
च रचयति.
Tri-shabda Pullinga is Trayaha.
That's what I thought when I checked.
Trayaha. But Asandika is Strilinga.
Is it Tisraha?
Yes, Tisraha. Okay, next. Can you repeat the sentence again?
रक्षकः एकं खट्वां तिस्रः आसन्दिकाः च रचयति.
Khatvam is which linga?
नपुंसकलिंग.
Khatva, Strilinga.
Okay.
Khatva, Strilinga. Then what should be the Eka Shabda?
Would it be Eka?
Is it Ekavachanam, Prathama Vibhakti or Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Prathama only, right? Eka.
Which Vibhakti should come here?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya is what?
So because it's feminine, Ekaha.
Ekam amma, ekam.
Ekam. Ekavachanam. Khatvam is Ekavachanam.
Oh, sorry.
So Ekam is Ekavachanam. Now you complete the sentence.
तक्षकः एकां खट्वां तिस्रः आसन्दिकाः च रचयति.
Yes. Next.
दर्जी सुई से 4 वस्त्रों को सीता है.
Hmm.
सौचिकः सूचिकया 4 वस्त्राणि सीव्यति.
Hmm. Yes. Next.
Sorry, the रंगरेज इन सब वस्त्रों को रंगता है. रंजकः
Hmm.
तद् सर्वाणि वस्त्राणि रञ्जयति. एतानि सर्वाणि वस्त्राणि रञ्जयति.
Etani. Vastan. Yes. Next.
शिकारी बाण से सिंह को मारता है. व्याधः धनुष्पाणिः
Why? Where is the Visheshana given?
sorry, बाण is धनुषेण.
Ban se.
बाण से.
Bana is in Sanskrit.
धनुष पाणेन.
Pani. Pani means what? Dhanush means what?
Dhanush means bow, arrow.
Wo? Pani means?
Banena. Vyagram hanti.
You are saying Banena or Panina?
Sorry. I got Banena Vyagram hanti.
Okay. Bana, I don't know whether it's Sanskrit word or not. Shara is the word. Or you can use Dhanush.
Dhanush is bow, no? Arrow. Arrow is
Shara.
Sharena. Sharena Vyagram hanti.
Vyagram?
Hanti.
Hanti. Next.
द्वारपाल राजा के महल के द्वार की रक्षा करता है. प्रतिहारः राज्ञः सौधस्य द्वारं रक्षति.
Raksh dhatu could be Nijanta.
रक्षयति.
I'm just checking.
In the example earlier, it said rakshati. So I.
Rakshpalani. Vadigana only. Rakshati. Yes. Next.
कहारा गड्ढे से पानी भरता है. कहारः गड्ढेन जलम आनय.
Kaharaha means what?
कहारः डिस्ट्रक्शन.
Destruction. What is the meaning in English? Kahara means? Is that destruction?
One who carries water, Amma.
One who carries water. Can you repeat that again?
कहारः घटेन जलम् आनय.
It is also a palanquin bearer, I think. So they do both jobs. Palanquin, carrying palanquins as well as bearing water bearer.
Here I think pani, right? So
Sorry?
here it is pani. So
Yes, correct.
ghatena ghatat, fifth case or ghatat jalam.
Kahara, kahara means destruction. I said the meaning is destruction. What is the another meaning?
Water bearer or palanquin bearer.
Next.
Is it my turn?
Now you can do.
कसाई पशुओं को मारता है. अदकः पशून् हन्ति.
Yes. Next.
दोनों व्यक्ति, sorry, is it दोनों or बौना? Sorry, बौना व्यक्ति हंस रहा है. So वामनः, should I just do व्यक्ति or पुरुषः?
No. Vamanah itself including
व्यक्ति. Okay. वामनः हसति.
Yes. Next.
Which number are we doing, Purnaji? Sorry.
10th one.
Okay. Can I try it?
Yes.
Okay. Vanchakaha sajjanam vanchati.
Next.
It says vanchayati, So is this because snitch?
Is this Churadigana? Vanch Pralambhane. Yes, Churadigana. Vanch Bhadigana is also there, but Bhadigana is Gatau Artha. Here Pralambhane is the meaning, so Churadigana. Vanchayati. Yes. Next.
Here petu means one who wants to eat more. Huh? How to stay in Sanskrit? Petu.
Tundilaha.
Tundilaha. It's given, all the meanings are given in Shabdakosha.
Tundilaha adhikam bhojanam karoti.
Bhojanam. Bhojanam, not karoti, bhunakti.
Okay.
Bhojanam. So if he is preparing, then karoti can be used, but eating bhunakti. Next. Next.
मदारी अपना जादू इंद्रजालम दिखाता है. मदारी ही स्वीयम इंद्रजालम दर्शयति.
Is there any word for
Indrajal.
हाँ
Indrajalika.
Indrajalakah.
हाँ
Indrajalika.
ऐन्द्रजालिकः
Indrajalika.
The word for Jadu, is it Indrajalam?
हा इन्द्रजालम्
इन्द्रजालं दर्शयति.
So
Next.
apna, can we
Should we
use
say-
that swakiyam there? Swakiyam for apna.
Swasya.
Swa Indrajalam, can that be one word? Or
Swa Indrajalam. That kind of usage is not there. So if we do Swaindrajalam, it will be Samastapada because we have to do Swasya again. Swa means Swasya.
right?
So in some places, due to some niyamas, samasa will not happen.
Okay.
Like the earlier I was saying that Purushanam Uttamaha, there Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa will not happen. Though there is possibility to come that Samasa, but it will not happen. Purushanam Uttamaha. But we are familiar with that. I was familiar with that. Purushottamaha means Purushanam Uttamaha. This was the very, very familiar. It maybe you using this in local language. When we say local language, that in common Sanskrit, we may use that. But their samasa will not happen. Purushana, if we have to say Purushanam Uttamaha, not Purushottamaha. If we say Purushottamaha, then we have to do samasa Purusheshu Uttamaha, not Purushanam Uttamaha.
Okay, got it.
So, like that, in some places, samasas will not happen. So, here also, samasa is not there. Okay, next. And that kind of usage, so far, I have not come across, so that it is better to not do samasa. Next.
पुताई करने वाला सफेदी से मेरा मकान को पोतता है. सुधा जीवन मम
Shuddha Jivanaha means what?
Sudha Jivan means it refers to the person. The person who is doing painting.
The one who is painting, right? What it calls in Sanskrit?
Sudha Jivan. Sudha Jivan. Mama Gruham. Shweta Varnam Karoti. Apotati.
Ranjakaha. The one who does painting is called Sanjakaha, not Ranjaka, sorry. Sanjakaha. Sanjakaha Shvetavarnina Mama Saudham Limpati.
Here the Sudha Jivan.
Sanjaka is different, right?
Sanjaka.
पुताई करने वाला सुधा जीवन.
Sudha Jivanaha.
Jivin actually.
Ha, even I wrote Sudha Jivin.
This is how we have to decline, Amma. This is Sudha Jivin. Nakaranta Shabda.
Nakara. Yes, yes. Nakaranta pullinga shabda. Sudha Jeevin, Sudha Jeevinau, Sudha Jeevinaha, Sudha Jeevinam. So here Sudha Jeevin we can use.
Jeevin. Okay, Amma.
Yes.
Both
In
the hai, for that, what is the thing?
Yeah. Kriyapada, limpati.
Nim,
Limpati, limp.
limpati. Okay.
the
Can
Udaharana,
it be like Karinamma? Like Inanta Shabda, can we take like that? Sudha Jeevin.
Yes,
Can
yes.
we take like that, Amma? Or else
Yes.
Ananta Shabda, Rajan, what?
No.
Then
Innanta
Raja, it is-
Innanta
Inanta, then Prathama Vivakti, Karin is Kari, Karino, Karinaha, then Sudha Jeevini, Sudha
Jeevi.
Jeevino, Sudha Jeevinaha, it can be, Amma.
Okay.
Sudha GB.
Jeevi,
Yeah.
that is the given in example number 8.
Okay.
Sudha GB.
Sudha Jeevi is there, Amma. Yes. Sudha Vihi Sodam Limpati.
Purnaraji, can we also, I mean, is it okay to say Sudha GB, Sudhaya, Mama Griham Limpati? Or Shweta Varna, we have to use that way.
Sudha Jeevina, then.
Sudha Jivina.
But Karmani we are not using. We are using Kartari Prayoga only. Na? Why do we need Tritiya?
Again, in the example, they said Sudha Bihi. That is why I think. Is it Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam? So the example they said,
Can you translate this Vakya into English? Where is it?
number 8 is Sudha Jivi, Sudha Bihi, Sodham Lim.
13th
Sorry.
one.
Oh, the
This
13th.
13th one.
Sorry.
In English.
13th one is saying the whitewasher is whitewashing my building or home.
With whitewashing, right?
With what?
Yeah.
Say, with whitewash. Yes.
So this should be, Karta should be in Ekavachanam only.
So that is Sudha Jivi. And
Ah.
then, but Safedi say, is it Sudha
Sudhaya.
Bihi? Sudha Bihi or Sudhaya? That is the question.
Is it Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam?
उदाहरण वाक्य बहुवचन में दिया अम्मा.
No, we have to see here na. What is here? I'm asking.
Ekavachanam.
It say Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam?
I think it is
Yes.
Ekavachanam.
If it is Ekavachanam, then Ekavachanam. What is given in Udaharana Vakya, it could be different. We can't do as it is like.
అవునమ్మా.
Okay.
అమ్మా ఇది కర్మలో ఏకవచనం అన్నా బహువచనం అన్నా ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు కదమ్మా. రెండు కరెక్టే అవుతాయి. కర్మలో కర్తను అనుసరించి క్రియ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి కర్మ ఏకవచనం అయినా అవ్వచ్చు బహువచనం అయినా అవ్వచ్చు కదమ్మా.
నేను స్కూల్ కి వెళ్తున్నాను. అక్కడ స్కూల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
అక్కడ ఒకటి.
ఇప్పుడు నేను అక్కడ బహువచనమైన ఉపయోగించవచ్చు, ఏకవచనమైన ఉపయోగించవచ్చా?
అంటే మీరు ఆఫీసర్ అయితే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆఫీసర్, అప్పుడు చాలా స్కూల్స్ కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అట్లా ఎట్లయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు.
బాలకః విద్యాలయం గచ్చతి,
అప్పుడు ఒక స్కూలే చెప్పాలా. బాలకః విద్యాలయం గచ్చతి బస్.
Based on the meaning only, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam will be said. This other question?
Sudhaya.
So in this case also, Purnaji, because Safedi is not like a single item, right? It is paint. So
Hmm.
even Bahuvachan can be used and it won't. It is just that Chunamba, what do you call it?
Mhm.
The primer, right? So does it matter whether it's singular or plural in that case? Because it's
Common name, if it's a common
collective.
noun,
Yeah.
collective, sorry. Yeah, collective noun, we can use Bahuvachanam. So I think that's why.
Okay, okay. Okay, next one.
मैं पीतांबर कृष्ण और चतुरानन को सादर सविनय प्रणाम करता हूँ.
Hmm.
अहम पीतांबरम चतुराननं च सादरं सविनयं प्रणमामि.
What happened to Krishna?
I used it as a Bahuvrihi Samasa. So Krishna, do we have to say the word? Because it's
Yes.
there. Okay.
This is Anya Padana.
So
Pitambaram is the Samastapada. Bahuvri. Anya Pada should be there in the same Vakya.
oh, it has to be there in the same Vakya. Okay, I thought it is not necessary to mention it, or it has to be. Okay, that's something that I do.
Otherwise, we will not know who is that Pitambaraha.
Okay.
If you notice that, whenever Swamiji asks Bahuvrihi Samasa, next to that, the Anya Pada will be there.
But in the case of Chaturananda, it is not there, right?
It is not there because other than Brahma, there is no Chaturananda.
So that's my, okay. So if it is there in the, at least when we are translating, if it is there in the Vakya, we have to say it. And
Yes,
if
yes.
it is not there, we don't have to say it.
Yes, yes.
All right. Thank you.
But most of the times it will be there. Even in Bhashya and Tikas, in that sentence, 99% Anyapada will be there.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. So it will be Aham Pitambaram Krishnam Chaturananam Cha Sadaram Savinayam Pranamami. Is that correct?
Sadarena Savinayena Pranamam. Sadara, Savinaya, these kind of shabdas, when it comes, it should be in Tritiya.
Tritiya. Okay. Sadarena Savinayena Pranamam. Okay. So Pranamami is not correct.
Pranamami is also correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Next.
मैं अपने बड़े भाई, छोटे भाई और पुत्रों के साथ इस नगर में रहता हूँ. अहम अपने मम अग्रजेन अनुजेन पुत्रैः च के साथ अस्मिन् नगरे वसामि.
Then you should say na vasami.
मैं रहता हूँ नगर
Yeah,
में.
there it is there.
हाँ.
Okay, okay. Next.
Purnaji, here can we do aham sagrajah sanujah then
Putraha.
saputrah, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Next.
Do we have to say saputraha?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
yes. It's Bahuvachanam, na?
Bahuvachanam.
Saputraha. Next. Next.
सत्यनिष्ठ.
सत्यनिष्ठ
Please go ahead, Sirisha ji.
सत्यनिष्ठ और धर्मनिष्ठ राम धनुष्पाणी वन में घूमता है. सत्यनिष्ठः धर्मनिष्ठः रामः वने भ्रमति.
Can we write this as Satyanishtah Dharmanishtah cha Dhanurpanihi Ramah Vanam Vicharanti or something like that.
भ्रमति.
Bhramati, yeah.
Yes. Next.
वह सब कार्य कर सकता है. सः सर्वं कार्यं शक्नोति.
कार्यं शक्नोति किं शक्नोति
कार्यं
कर्तुं शक्नोति.
कार्यं कर्तुं शक्नोति.
Next.
Maybe बहुवचनम also Purna ji. सः सर्वाणि कार्याणि कर्तुं शक्नोति or no? It is only one, right? So okay.
Next.
मैं पढ़ सकता है. अहं पठितुं शक्नोमि.
सकता हूँ. Yes. Next.
वह उठ सकेगा. सः उत्थितुं शक्ष्यति. Is it उत्थितुं or
उपवेष्टुं.
उपवेष्टुं? I thought it was sitting.
Uthitum means get up.
Yeah, this is ut is get up.
Oh, ut means get up. Okay. I thought that is sitting. Okay.
उत्थातुं
or उत्थितुं
or उत्थित. What was the other one, Uma ji?
I said उत्थितुं. Uthatum may have niche, right? Okay. I don't know. Purna ji, is it uthitum?
Checking. Uthatum. Uthatum is the correct word. Next.
त्वं लेखं लेखितुम् अशक्नोः. Okay. Tu लिख सका. That was the sentence. Oh, it is लिख सका. Yeah.
Why ashaknoho?
Past tense, no? That's why.
Is it past tense? Okay.
I mean, that's what I understood. Saka, लिख सका.
Okay. Next.
वह सुनता है. सह श्रुणोति.
Next.
मैं सुनु. अहं शृणोमि.
मैं सुनु.
It's lot.
Is lot. What is the lot?
शृणोतु
Shrunvani.
Aham. It's not Uttam Purusha. Pratham Purusha. Uttam Purusha.
Aham Shrunvani.
शृण्वा
Is it Shrunvani or Shrunavani?
Shrunavani.
Hmm.
Shrunav. Yes.
Next.
तू सुन
Hmm.
त्वं शृणु
Hmm. Next.
वह सुने.
Shivananji.
वह सुनेगा.
Hmm.
सः शृणुष्यति.
What is that? Hmm.
शृणुष्यति will come. श्रोष्यति सः. Okay. श्रोष्यति. सः श्रोष्यति.
Next.
मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. अहम किमपि न अशृणोत्. Is it अशृणोत् or some other?
Now Shrunomi can be used, right?
Sorry.
Shrunomi,
It is.
na
It is.
Shrunomi.
No,
It is
Ashrunot is
Mulam.
Pratham Purusha, right?
Right. Uttama Purusha would be
Ashrunavam.
Shrunvam. Yeah, I think.
Ashrunavam.
Ashrunavam. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. We finished 49 abhyasas. Now we are in 50. And Dvandva Samasa we are going to study.
So
So
one
this-
question, Purna ji.
Uh-huh.
In the last one, मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. Do we use the shru dhatu, which is shru shravane? Is that what we are using?
Yes, yes.
So for the one that we did, वह सुनेगा, won't it be shravishyati or something?
Sunega.
There
Or
is
I'm looking in the wrong place, I don't know.
Roshyati is what is mentioned in.
Which lakara you are saying?
I was looking at the rit lakara.
Rit.
Oh, I'm looking at the nijanta. That's my mistake. Sorry.
Mhm.
I'm in the wrong table.
Okay. Okay. All these shabdas are familiar in Gita first chapter. Gita first chapter is not familiar, I think. Agrajaha. Agrajaha is frequently used in Ramayana, not in Gita first chapter. Agrajaha is elder brother. Anujaha, younger brother. Pitamahaha, grandfather. Matamahaha, grandmother.
I think Matamaha is from mother's side grandfather, like Nana. In Hindi we say Nana ji, so that.
Okay, okay.
Because in Hindi it is written Nana.
Grandfather, but
Father
mother's side.
Yes. Mother.
Okay.
Maternal grandfather.
Maternal grandfather. Okay. Is it Matamaha is maternal?
Yes, Purnaji.
Okay. Prapitamaha, grandfather's father. Pitruvyah. Pitruvyah, father's brother, younger brother. Matulaha, mother's brother. Pautraha, grandson. Prapautraha, grandson, great grandson, right?
Yes.
Shvashuraha. Shvashuraha, father's
Father-in-law.
Father-in-law.
uh,
Father-in-law.
Father-in-law. Wife's
Father-in-law.
father or the husband's father.
Any side, yeah.
Father-in-law. Shalaha. Shalaha is brother-in-law. Devaraha is also brother-in-law. Is there any other word for Devaraha? Devaraha is means that person is younger than to this.
Yeah, Devaraha generally specifically means your husband's younger brother. While Sala is Shalaha ends up being the wife's brother.
Both are denoted by brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. Okay, both are brother-in-law. There is no Vyadhikarana is not there. Bhagini is sister. Younger sister, elder sister, both. Swasru. Swasru is mother-in-law, right? Here I
Yeah.
have written as sister.
Sister only. Yeah.
Sister on. I have written
This
sister.
might be a mistake. Could this be a mistake? The what's in the bracket here?
And Swasru is mother-in-law. That's what I remember.
That's what I also remember.
Swasru is Bhagini only. In Ashtadhyayi it is given.
Okay.
Swasru. Mru.
I
Now
think
the
Shwashru is mother-in-law, so there's different Sha. That is
Huh.
why. Yeah. So Swasru is sister. Okay.
Could be. Mru means death or die. Nud. Nud means prerepana. Prerepana means what in English? To encourage.
Inspire, yeah.
Encourage or inspire. Upadish. Upadish is to give. Upadesha means to teach. Adish means Ajna. What is the English?
To command.
Order. To
Command.
order.
To order or command. Sandish, doubt.
This is Sandesh Dena. That means to give guidance or message.
Message.
To indicate,
Message,
to,
yeah.
yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Not Sandigdha. That not doubt.
Oh, okay.
Deha, it's not.
Dish dhatu is indicating.
Correct. Samyakti.
Sandesh, giving advice.
Or message or guidance. Yes.
Okay. Kship. Kship is to throw. Next, crew. What is the crew dhatu meaning?
I think to spread.
Hmm.
Phailana is like to
Is it
give.
not? Is it not crew means doing?
To krinkarane, no, that not that.
That's different.
Yeah, this is crew dhatu. This is crew. Dirgha crew. That
Dirgha.
is, to spread. Next, udgru, ut upasarga purvak, gru dhatu. Speak out. Two meanings are there. What is the first meaning?
First is blurt. When you speak without thinking.
Okay. Second one is just
To
speaking.
speak.
Right?
Yeah.
Nigru means swallowing. Nigaranam. Sruj means to produce. Visruj.
Create, also to create, right?
Yes.
Srijama.
Yeah, to create, to make something.
Yes. Srishti. Srishti comes from the Sruj Dhatu only. What is the pratyaya?
Would it be nishtha?
If it is nishtha at the end, what should be there? It could be tin pratyaya. Sruj dhatu tin pratyaya. Okay. Visruj. Visruj means to leave. Right? Leave is the correct word?
Yes, chodna means to leave. Yes, Purnaji.
Okay. What is Dvandva Samasa? Dvandva Samasa is very simple. There is no much contradictions in this, and so much explanation is also not there. Very simple. We'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.